What is a linked list?
A linked list is a fundamental data structure in computer science. Unlike arrays, which store elements in contiguous memory, linked lists organize data as individual nodes. Each node contains a value and a reference, or link, to the next node in the sequence. This structure allows for flexible data management and efficient insertions and deletions.
Types of linked lists.
There are several types of linked lists. The singly linked list connects each node to the next in one direction. Doubly linked lists link nodes both forward and backward, allowing easier traversal in both directions. Circular linked lists connect the last node back to the first, forming a loop. Each type serves different needs and applications.
Basic operations on linked lists.
Key operations on linked lists include inserting, deleting, and searching for nodes. Insertion and deletion can be done efficiently at the beginning or end of the list without shifting elements, unlike arrays. Traversing the list, moving from one node to another, is done through the links. However, accessing a specific element requires going through each node in sequence.
Linked lists versus arrays, when to use.
Linked lists are ideal when you need efficient insertions and deletions, especially for dynamic datasets that grow or shrink frequently. Arrays, on the other hand, provide faster random access since their elements are stored together in memory. Choose linked lists if resizing and modifying the data structure are common tasks, and choose arrays for fast lookups.
Real-world use cases for linked lists.
Linked lists are useful in many practical scenarios. They form the backbone of data structures like stacks and queues. Operating systems use them for managing memory and scheduling tasks. Text editors often use linked lists to efficiently handle text changes. Understanding linked lists opens the door to solving complex programming challenges with ease.